Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. So, to start out the day, we're here a couple minutes before market open. Feeling good. Got a zero DT Friday in the mix. Kind of laying out the plan for today. Should have some. What was I gonna say? Yeah, should have some good volatility. Right now, what I am looking at, I'm looking to potentially take profits on Tesla at open, and then also looking at Palantir. I really like the idea of a short on Palantir as well. So we got, we're about to open. Yeah, we got a few seconds to open. So real quick, if you're in the Discord, I am going to take profits like right away on that put I had. All right, so Tesla trying to run up. We got market open. All right, so that Tesla trade is up 27% overnight. Or not 27, $127. All right, so I'm going to take profits. Oh, I forgot to hit close. So yeah, we're going to hit sell. All right, so got it submitted. We made $132 just by swinging that. Let me alert the Discord real quick. And then we'll get in, start looking for some zero DTE trades. Let's also, Randy, good morning. Eat this with Chef Nick. Yo, good morning. Mahishu, good morning. The Blessed West Beauty, good morning. Got the Palantir $40 call yesterday morning. I'm looking for a put, but just gotta shoot this alert out to the Discord real quick. Looks like they'll actually benefit from me putting it out late. And just took profit on Tesla swing. Sold out at, I think it was like 4.05 per share. I think. Let's see. All right. Randy Reese, SoFi. Okay. Hold up. Hold on. There's a lot going on. I would love to see if Tesla ends up coming and touching a trend line up here and trying to reverse. One of the things I wanted to go through, Jorman, good morning. One of the things I wanted to go through was kind of come through and look at analysis, like kind of the price analysis to see where it looks like things are going to land. So, Akeem, good morning. All right, so real quick. Yeah, the market is moving a lot. It's trying to throw me off for sure. But yeah, while we're up here with Palantir, let's see. Let me real quick. Skittles, good morning. All right, the first first lotto I'm grabbing for the day. This is just early because of where we are. I'm gonna grab a 39.50 put on Palantir. That's gonna be my first lotto, just because I'm feeling like this is a good level of resistance. This lotto is kind of urged by their how do I say it, the analysis on Palantir, like the options analysis. So like looking at the options analysis, there is an insane amount of, or relevant to the puts, there's an insane amount of calls at the pretty much all the way up. They outnumber the puts to about till about $39. So it looks like Palantir should end the day below $39. So that seems like just like a money play right there. He said support level on SoFi. Looks like support's about $7.62, or you can look at the EMA depending on what time frame you're on. But yeah, it looks like it needs to come down to about $7.90 to fill a gap. So that's what I'm seeing right now. But yeah, the plan for now is to really just kind of let things happen. So I want to, let's move Palantir up here. And now I want to look at, okay, so NVIDIA actually came up here, touched this trend line, and now it's kind of coming down. I'm interested to see what happens with Tesla. Some potential areas of interest are, we got this over here, and then of course this up here. So I'm gonna add alerts on both of those. Maybe we can catch some sort of reversal. Let me check the options analysis on Tesla. That might be the next one I wanna wait. Hopefully, we'll let some time pass so the options get cheaper. But yeah, if we can put in some work on Tesla today with the movement it's giving, it's setting up for a good opportunity. So Tesla, there are a lot of calls at the 250 level. So they're definitely going to push it away from that. So if we can see Tesla around 250, they may try to, if we see Tesla around 250, if we can snipe a 247.50 put, hey, that could be some solid money right there. Because it looks like it's going to be optimal for them to expire around 245, a little below 245. So I would love to see them push Tesla up to this level. All right, so Mass 3DRC, good morning, good morning. Casey, good morning. Looking at AMD. Tatiana riding the Amazon call, rocketing up. Oh yeah, AMD is going crazy. So AMD and NVIDIA have some, oh wait, hold on. I want to keep my eye on Tesla. But yeah, AMD and NVIDIA are not the same today. So this was kind of the range I called on the watch list. So I potentially see AMD, if it wants to keep moving, maybe coming up to this 169 area. There's potential there. All right, Randy Reese, Palantir 390 for today. That's what I was. 39.5. So Palantir looks like it's already moving in favor of what we grabbed. So that's good. What was I going to say? Yeah, let's take a look at Amazon real quick. See what Tatiana's working with. Shoot, Tatiana's gonna have to start her own YouTube channel. All right. Oh yeah, she's on fire. I think she said she got them for next week. It's a nice little swing. I have my swing on Tesla. Looks like I could have held it, but hey, if I see those profits at open, I'm gonna take them. So yeah, I had a nice little swing on Tesla too. But yeah, I'm sure Tatiana is probably doing even better. So yeah, right now, let's zoom out a little on Amazon real quick. What did I see? Yeah, so it would be real nice if Amazon wants to run up and touch this trend line up here at about 189. That would be some great money. Solid money on that. All right. Nap, yo, good morning. Rick, good morning. All right, so looks like we're kind of chilling out a little bit with the volume. We already got all the news that we will be getting today, so that's cool as well. So yeah, now we're just kind of playing with things. All right, so looking at what we have here, let's see. Actually, let me look at the analysis on the options analysis on Amazon. See where it would be most favorable. All right, so actually, the highest call volume is at 187.50. So just a heads up, it's close to the highest volume. There's still some volume at 190 as well. But where it'll be most profitable for them to close it will be a little above 180. Looking at AMD and Nvidia, let's take a look at here. Let's look at AMD over here. All right, so AMD. Let me look at the analysis for AMD. All right, so there is a lot of volume at the 170 level for calls. So they might bring it like right up to that. And then it's going to be most optimal for it to expire a little above 165. So here, I'm going to kind of draw these in here. So this probably where it's most optimal for AMD to expire today. I think Tesla was, I want to say it was like around 145. Let me see. So yeah, Tesla. Yeah, it's going to be most optimal for them to expire a little above 185. So I love the idea of them running up here and then grabbing a short on them to see what they do. Palantir, I think it was most ideal for them to expire somewhere around $39. So that could be a good move right there as well. All right, so let me see how I'm doing on that put I grabbed on Palantir real quick. So I'm up like $2 on that Palantir put I grabbed. But yeah, Palantir hasn't really done its moving yet. There's a lot of resistance at the 39.50 level. It wouldn't surprise me if they want to just kind of let it chill here for a bit. But we got Tesla still moving up. Let me see how much the options are for Tesla to see what realistically I'll have a chance at getting. So trade options today, puts. All right, so I got about $90 that I can put towards Tesla. Also, just a heads up, I did add 100 to the Robinhood today. But I got about $90 I can throw towards Tesla. And with that being said, right now I would be looking at the 245 put on Tesla. I would like for, some time to pass. Maybe if it wants to take its time, I can get a better option. Maybe I can get the 247.50, but yeah. Hello, good morning. Anthony, good morning. Welcome to the stream. Hey, happy to have y'all here. Let me look at AMD because that might be a decent short as well. You said audio keeps cutting off. Is my audio cutting off, or is that just for Anthony? Here, y'all might hear me kind of y'all might hear me echo because I'm gonna turn myself up so I can hear. Keeps cutting off. Is my audio cutting, or is that just for Anthony? Oh yeah, it definitely sounds like my audio is cutting off. I don't know why that's happening. Y'all might hear me echo. Turn myself up. I don't know what's up. I don't know what to do about that. Do I normally sound like this? Or is that oh yeah, it definitely sounds cutting off. I don't know why that's happening. This is an issue. About that. Do I like this? Here, I'm gonna try to change my audio source. I feel like the quality is gonna be a lot worse though. This is an issue. Here, I'm gonna try the audio source. I feel like it's gonna be a lot worse though. Yeah, that sounds so nasty. I'm having a hard time like listening to myself because it's like I hear myself cutting out too. All right, so we're approaching levels. I mean, right now with everything going on, I'm gonna have to pay attention. I might have to. Okay, it might be YouTube causing it. Hey, we'll blame it on YouTube because nothing. I haven't done anything different. But here, I'm curious. Also curious how much. Oh, the 245 put has fallen. I'm currently adding on my watch list just so I can get to it faster. But I want to see how much AMD puts are as well. Because AMD looks like it might be more money if we can catch it around that 170 level. Because if we can get, looks like we're pretty close to being able to get 167.50, and if it goes to 165, oh dang, they just oh no, it can go higher. We'll see. Really want to buy get the best I can, but I'm going to add this 167.50 to my watch list. Right now I'm between the 167.50 on AMD and the 245 on Tesla. But I want to see if they look like they're going to come any higher. All right, so here, let's see. Went from trading to audio troubleshooting, options in IT. Hey, 100%. Hey, we're out here to solve all the problems. Yeah, it's really hard to. I feel you. I couldn't do anything when it came to it cutting in and out. I don't know if someone's trying to sabotage me. Here, I'm gonna turn the audio back up, and I'm going to. Yeah, I'm gonna turn the audio back up, and I'm going to try to like turn off and turn back on my mic. Is it still doing it? It sounds all right to me now. Is it still doing it? It sounds all right to me now. Yeah, I feel like it's not cutting off anymore. Okay, cool. All right, so Illuminati confirmed. 100% blaming that on YouTube. Cool. All right. So yeah, the question here now is this trend going to continue, or are we going to break? I want them to kind of continue to melt this up. Like, I would be so cool if it took to about like 10. I'm in Texas, by the way, so that would be 11 Eastern Standard Time. But I'd be cool if it took till then to get into this position, because the theta would just run out on these contracts and they would just be that much cheaper. Trying to be a little bit more responsible with my zero DTs. It's like I've been able to see what they've been doing. And it's like when you're trading these, you really have to get in at the extremes. Yeah, I definitely feel like YouTube was sabotaging though, because I feel like there were like decent amount of people on. I mean, it's still a decent amount of people now, but there were like when it started like acting up, there was like more than double the amount of people there are now. All right, so we're moving up on the SPY. Okay, we're trying to go for another high on Tesla. Seeing these options come down. I would like to see AMD like run up to 170. Oh, they're trying to bring it down. All right, I'm gonna go for this put on Tesla. Let's see. Oh, they're trying to run the price up. Okay, they popped it back up. Come on, let me in. All right, so I got filled for 88. So I guess I'm in on a put about right here, and that's on the 1 minute chart. And it would be most ideal if we can ride it down to here, but we'll see. It's like we'll see what I have time for. So yeah, I grabbed a put on Tesla. We'll watch that over here. Right now I'm using this is on Moomoo, or not Moomoo. This is Robinhood right now for the zero DTs. And then whenever it comes to probably later in the day, like it'll probably just be Discord, but maybe later in the day I'll be able to what was I going to say? Later in the day I'll be able to identify a swing for next week or something. Oh, I straight up took that trade on the 1 minute, but it's all good. We'll still watch. All right, how is Delta looking today? Let's see. Dang, that thing going crazy. All right, let's look at it on a 15. Why? What's going on? Does it have anything to do with the strike? The port strike? No, everything was seeing love. It says Jeffries maintained a buy rating for Delta Airlines and raised price target to 60. That's all I'm seeing right now. Here, let me look at the analysis on Delta. See where it would be most optimal for options to expire. So I just see above 49 being, so I could, above 49 is what's going to be most optimal for Delta options contracts. All right, so Tesla is moving a little bit right now. Got 18%. I'm not mad at that. If it wants to run straight down here, I really won't be mad at that. All right, Gallon. Morning, what app are you using? So to execute the trades, I am currently using Robinhood. If you hear me, if it's over $100, I am using Moomoo. And if you hear me talking about analysis and where it's going to expire, I'm using Moomoo for all that. I saw where they settled the strike at 6:30. I have not fact checked yet. So I did share like a little screenshot that they did settle on the strike. So I expected us to kind of come up today because of that, but then I guess we also liked the data that came out, so that really shot us up. All right, so that Tesla put is up 25%. So hey, we're doing good on that. Hey, that thing is hey, it's a good zero DTE right there. Not too bad, especially if it wants to continue this momentum. But we might see some trouble around this 247 area. But one thing you really want to know about these zero DTs is the loss of momentum will destroy your play. So unless it like gets close to being in the money. So here, let me see if I can find like a trend. Let's move up to the 2. Oh, wrong. Let's move up to the 2 on Tesla. Let's see. Still got a little downtrend going. Don't see anything like nice enough to draw a trend line for me. Let's look at the 5. Looking good right there too. Here, I'll watch on the 5 for now. I would love to see it come back here, or even just come touch this trend line down here. That would be solid right there. Then we got Palantir. Here, let me come back and look at Palantir. Hey, we'll see if they even hit $40. They may, they're trying. This may just be a bunch of liquidity. Let's see what Palantir looks like. Oh, this is on the 15-minute chart. Let's see the 30-minute. Okay, Tesla's still selling off. We looking good there. Okay, Tesla's selling off some more. All right, so we're up 37% on Tesla. So, hey, it's moving the way it needs to move. Hey, it is a Lotto Friday, so I'm pushing these kind of for greed, but I feel like I've kind of got this current market kind of figured out on Friday. So I did my best to buy at the extreme. I didn't know it was quite going to stop right here. So did my best. We'll see what happens. So SPY is here. Let me check the analysis. So SPY should be retesting this trend line. So this could be an area where it buys back up. So we'll see if we end up breaking down below or buying back up. That's something to watch out for. Let me run the analysis on the SPY real quick. See where that should end up closing out. So let's see. Oh, also, hey, be sure to smash the like button. Hey, that's how we get other people to find the stream. Let YouTube know what's up, so we trade in numbers. All right, so it looks like it'll be most optimal for SPY to expire right around like 572. So up here. So this might be a good kind of buy area. Looks like it'll be best for them to expire above, like a little above 572. So yeah, if anyone wants to look for SPY to come back up here, hey, SoFi looks like a put below 8. Let me run the numbers on SoFi real quick. We can first off, let's look at the charts. It's like SoFi could potentially be a put below 8, but they could also make it wait until it comes to do that. So let's see what the numbers are. All right, SoFi. So actually it looks like it's going to be most optimal for SoFi to expire. Here, there is 2000. There is. So probably like just below 8. That's going to be most optimal. So you said, what's your Discord channel? Here, I'll drop the link for the free one. I mean, it's the same Discord. It's just you get more access if you pay. So the paid one is going to be the first link in the video description, and then I'll drop the other link. Let me drop an invite in the chat. Give me a second. So hey, it's on the way. No need to worry. Hold up. And then also when you get in there, make sure you press that little green check, because a lot of people will hop in there and they'll say they don't know what's going on, and it's because they haven't pressed that green check that they don't have access to all the channels. So we're up 53% on that Tesla put we got in. So there's that. So one other thing I want to say about SoFi, there is a gap down here. Okay, you said what you think? I didn't hear you. So Randy, it looked like it was most optimal for SoFi to expire around $8, but there is a gap to be filled right here around 790. And then also the volume at 750 was also kind of, I don't know, it was also kind of, I don't know. So anywhere from, I would say 750 to about like anywhere in this range it could be, but I would think they want to have it ultimately closer to $8 at the end of the day. Broadcom coming down to the bottom of the trend. Can you call out where? Yeah, for sure. That might end up being a swing. We'll see. Especially if that goes off. If it's not too pricey. I had a trend line drawn for this, right? Okay, I do see this trend line too. Let's hold on. Tesla, we're up 62% on Tesla, so hey, this is it's not going bad. It's not going bad. Let's see if that holds up. But here, let me go to like a 10 on Broadcom. How far back does this go? Here, let's go to a 15. All right, let's try to, let's see. Does that work? Let's try that. I mean, it's not perfect, but has a lot. So I would, this, I would, yeah, leave this trend line here. I would say it's intact. So right now, say it comes to, I guess like 173. That would be when I like looked. This isn't, I'm not sure of my comforts going for a 0 day to expiration, but hey, if we get some buying pressure there, here, let's turn on the volume too. See if we're getting like any rushes of volume. All right, so right now this volume on this upside on Tesla's kind of low. All right, so dang. that theta is eating the contract. Tesla pushed back up here. It's like now it's up 22%. All right. Oh, tough W. Hey, no worries. Morning, family. If you don't mind me asking, what calls or puts are you in? So I'm in Palantir puts that expired today. I'm in the 1350s. And Palantir is still kind of okay. It's trying to go for that 40, or might have hit. Yeah, but I'm in the 1350s. I think I paid like 25 for them, and I am in a Tesla. I think 245s, and paid like I want to say 88. I paid 88 for them, and then of course I get in on the Palantir put and not the Tesla. I still think the Palantir like has validity. It's just not there yet. I still think that Palantir can hit with the way I like looked at it. So don't feel too bad, Phil and I. There is still opportunity. The timing wasn't the best on the Palantir. It was kind of tough, but I still feel decent about that Palantir play personally. You know, you don't really know whether it's lucky or unlucky until the story's over. But yeah, I'm gonna watch Palantir over here on the side. I don't want to watch the stock though. Yo, I am hungry. Oh, also, to anyone interested, I'll post it later in the Discord, even like the free section, just a heads up, so you shouldn't have to worry. Like it will be there. But to anyone interested, I am going to have like a Q&A Zoom about an hour after the market closes. So I think that'll be 4 p.m. Central Time, I guess 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So to anyone interested, hey, come hop on the Zoom and do that. It's free. I love to like talk to and connect with y'all. So answer any questions. So yeah, any questions you have, hey, I'll answer it while we're on stream or yeah, on that Zoom call. So feel free to come through. All right, so it hit the wall at 40, but it hit it for a second. Yeah, so yeah, Palantir, there should be a lot of selling pressure, a lot of people who want to take profits there. So to me, I'm thinking it's going to be some liquidity. And I think let me check the analysis on Palantir one more time. Tesla's still doing its thing to the downside. That's cool. So we're up like 53% on that. Let's grab the 95. Okay. Hey, that has potential. We'll run the numbers on that in a little bit. I got Palantir calls, but I call those calls shares because I just like to hold the share. Palantir is something I'm long on. So yeah, we got a lot of liquidity at this range, so Palantir could come down. I think I had them Palantir wanting to probably close the day out around what was it? I think it was $39. So there's still some meat on the bone there. All right, so Tesla is making its move. We got a cross to the downside too on the 1 minute. Yeah, we're looking good on Tesla. All right, we're up 77%. All right, review for success. I'll be in the evening live. Hey, appreciate it. So remember, it's going to be a Zoom call. So be sure to get the link in the Discord. And if you're not in the Discord, I posted the link up there like just a few messages ago, so be sure to check that out. So yeah, we're about to hit kind of that target. I'm gonna drop down to the 1 minute. I'm about to take profits on this. It's $107, 121%. I'm cool with that. All right, so I'm taking profits on that Tesla put. So oh yeah, that ran up to be 141%. All right, so yeah, the account is up $100 on the day, 80%. So yeah, we got our Lotto Friday. Tesla did its thing. Anything else is just, hey, that's just even better. But this was kind of where I was looking for it to come to. It could come down to this trend line. If you catch it at this trend line, that's a good area to look for upside. But yeah, I'm out. Just could be. Hey, I hope you enjoy the lunch money. Oh yeah, it's still moving, but hey, can't even be mad. All right, so going on, I'm gonna change the chart on Tesla. I'm gonna move over to Broadcom because I just got an alert on Broadcom. I know we were looking at that. All right, let's see what we think here. This might be a good entry for upside on Broadcom. So I already took that play on Tesla. I'm going to play watch list now. So AVGO. Trade options. What are we looking like today? Oh, they're kind of pricey. Oh, those are puts. Let me drop down to a lower time frame. See what it looks like is going to happen here. Or actually, I'm not sure if we did the analysis for Broadcom. Let's see. So Broadcom be most optimal for it to expire below 175. So I wouldn't expect it to come up too high, but hey, what's below this? Yeah, so I would probably throw it like right here. So this could like here, let's just grab a fun call, just for fun call. Be the 175. Added it to my watch list. Now I'm watching Broadcom. All right, Noonet. Nvidia is dipping today. So one thing that we saw. Oh, see, Palantir is falling. Phil and I, we're getting movement. But yeah, Nvidia came up, hit this this trend line that, like, I called it on my watch list video, the ones that I post for free in the Discord. Yeah, this trend line was used as that was support is now resistance, and yeah, we're kind of just selling off from there. So yeah, that's cool. Yeah. So hey, all in all, it looks like we got a good end to the week. Let's see how this Broadcom contract is doing. So okay, so down on it. So yeah, Nvidia is falling. One thing that kind of made me uneasy is the Dixie. So it's like we could definitely fall more, but I feel like, maybe that'll be. Ooh, hold on, let me look at the SPY. All right, so the SPY is back below here, but it's still going to be most optimal for it to expire around 72. All right. Hey, we made good profits off Tesla. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. All right, E-Kid, what's up, man? Doing a new rule, 1-to-3 ratio, and I'm out regardless. Hey, honestly, that's a nice risk to reward right there. That's solid in my eyes. All right, hold on. Let me kind of look at this Broadcom. So it's up 25%. But it's already pretty close to where I was looking at it going. So it doesn't look like it has the room for movement like I would have thought. It's like, because that was a good pop off the bottom right there. But it didn't really go up as much as I would have thought. So it's like, I'd like to see if it can come up to 174, but it doesn't look like, this extra 50 cents is going to make that big of a difference. So it's like, if I had actually grabbed the Broadcom calls right here, I would consider taking profits. Right now it's at $12 profit, 27%. But yeah, that's how it's doing. So I'm gonna leave Broadcom alone, and I still want to see how like Tesla's doing. All right, so it does look like that was a good area to kind of grab a call. Well, actually, probably not, because we still see Tesla. This is where we ultimately think it wants to close the day out. Mo Savage, oh my goodness, you are wild. Oh my goodness. If you can, if you can convince me to free Diddy, I mean, please try, but no, no, sir. You are wild, man. All right, Parker Noonally. Yo, B. Oh, good to be back in here. Have had a pretty rough week trading, but today, man, hey, love to hear it. Q's printed. Did you catch the print to the upside or the print to the downside? Because today we got volatility, and this is exactly what you want as a trader. This is exactly what you look for. All right, here I'm gonna turn Palantir back on. All right, let's see if we can identify like any patterns on this. I mean, on the 15, it looks like we're coming down. I don't necessarily see a solid pattern. Oh, actually, no, I'm not really sure. Like if I know of any, just like I see it widening right here, and I see like we kind of have support right here. Let's see. All right, let's where's it? It's over here. Kind of have support right here. All right, hold up. Caught some of the AMD put. Good Friday. Puts hit for me. Hey, glad to see the family eating. We just need Palantir to come through with the puts, and then we'll all be eating. Gotta make sure the man Phil Nye gets in on some of this good bread too. SPY looks like it's recovering at support at 569. Yeah, let's check out the SPY again. I would say that's a decent observation. Yeah, it's a solid support right there. Got a touch there, touch there, touch there. Yeah. Once again, I have SPY wanting to close the day around this blue line around 572. Can't believe I missed the Juicy Tesla put. Hey, gotta let it go. Let it go. There will be more. It's just one of those things. There have been days I've had contracts where I've taken profits at like $50, but the contracts had ended up running to $2,000 on the day. So it's like, and that's the beauty of a Lotto Friday. But I don't even know what to say. But yeah, I'm thinking Palantir. Palantir wants. Oh wait, hold up. I'm thinking Palantir wants to come down. They're just trying to probably trap some people up here, or maybe depending on what. Okay, on the 4 hour. Yeah, I would say, hey, maybe it might not happen on stream, but I feel like even if I let Robinhood close out my Palantir, I'll probably end up with like $25 of profit on it. You said maybe we can rinse and repeat that if Tesla gets to 248. I'm gonna like take my profits and not give it up or give it back up, but hey, it's definitely a possibility. Tesla probably has some sort of downtrend going now, though. Let's see if we can see where it's established. Can't really see like a clear established downtrend yet. Yeah, I don't see a clear established downtrend because let's, like if I try, it's like I could try to draw right here, but I would need more candles to know if that's actually going to end up being it. So right now it's like you kind of don't know. It's like it kind of looks like you see something right here. So maybe if you drew something right here on the 2, maybe we got our break to the upside already and it's heading back up, but we'll kind of have to see. Yeah, that could have been our little downtrend, but we'll see. See if we get a lower high right here and then a higher low. Or yeah, lower high then higher low. See if we get like some change in direction. But yeah, one thing I do want to kind of probably come through and check in on later in the day is like we have the Dixie ran up, but the market is up on the day. Like we popped off that news, and I think we want to come down. So I think like right now I am leaning on a put being a good swing over the weekend, but I'm of course going to have to check later in the day and see what I kind of think to see like how we're looking overall. Oh, that Broadcom call actually ended up going up. It's up 65%. Uh oh, Broadcom's already at the here. Let me go back and check out Broadcom real quick. Let's see. Yeah, it's kind of already at that like optimal level, so I would especially get out now if I were in that. Yeah, I got like a nice little 60% run. What are you trading today? So we took a put on Tesla, ran 140% on that, and then we're in a put on Palantir. It's like a 39.50 put, just because I'm expecting Palantir to close out today around $39. So, all right, you said took QQQ puts on open and made two. Hey, that's nice. What contracts did you get that paid? Like that was like 20x. They must have been like pretty far out the money, and then got a little jolt right there. Oh, 200, 200. Okay. All right. I was like, whoa. Yeah, I was about to say, hey, but 200%. That's nice too. That's much more believable. Cause I'm like, yo, 2,000%. I'm like, wow. I mean, I'm not saying it can't be done. It's just like today, I was like, I don't even see the potential for that, even with the 0 DTE. But nah, yeah, that's cool. Hey, congrats, family. Hey, let's check in on Amazon. I know Tatiana swinging Amazon. All right, so Amazon kind of sold off. All right, let's look at more analysis because yeah, Amazon was around that level that I said. They'll probably end up bringing it back up, I think. Let me see where we thought it was going to close. Oh, where am I from? So I was born in Arkansas, grew up in like the Dallas area of Texas. Uh, then I went to East Texas for school. Then I lived in Colorado Springs for a few years. Did about 8 months in Europe, mostly Portugal. And now I'm back in Dallas, Texas. Oh, you said okay, Arkansas? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I was born out in Little Rock. Yes, sir. Okay, who was it? Tough W? Tesla looks like it's trying to move back up to let you get your short. What was I doing? I was doing something. Oh, Amazon. I was going to look at the analysis on Amazon. So yeah, they wanted to close like a little above 175 or 185 would be the optimal close on Amazon today. Okay. Play any Chinese stocks? Not sure the situation over there, but sounds like they were pumped by the. Yeah, China's getting a lot of stimulus, so no, I have not played any Chinese stocks. It's like I'm definitely like watching them, but it's like I just stick to the same stocks for the most part. Like the ones that I'm like most familiar with. Hold on, let's try to chart an uptrend on Tesla real quick. See if you can see if we can chart or find a good breaking point entry for young tough W over here. Like maybe we can see how this holds up. And honestly, if it wants to run back up to that 250 level, form a double top or something, that's even more money. If it does that, I'll probably grab another play in my other account. But yeah, we'll see. Yeah, Palantir on the 4 hour. A lot of liquidity up here. Yeah, it's probably gonna want to come take out this $39 level. Oh, Tesla looks like it's testing this level. So this might be a break right here. Yeah, this is a right now. This is a 4 hour candle, but this is a very bearish candle. Or I wouldn't say very bearish, but this is a bearish candle right here. All right, yeah, Tesla looks like it's breaking back down. I mean, it's not as much meat on the bone, but yeah, targeting that $45 level. Yeah, we got our break. Oh, this is on a 2 minute, but on the 5 minute, it's still kind of going. Yeah, the SPY might be if it wants to close out the day at 572, that might be a good run for the end of the day. Oh, it's closing the gap right now. All right, so we got a gap fill on the SPY. Oh, let me double check my analysis on the SPY real quick. because this might be a one last opportunity for like a hero call on the SPY. Okay, so there is a lot of volume now that I'm looking at it. They definitely want it above 570. But it looks like they could maybe more 571. It's a little bit blurrier. It's like they might be willing to take some losses. So maybe around 571 here. Let's move that there. I don't like it as much at 571. The thought of hero calls. All right, so we got Palantir moving down now. Let's see. It's like a 5 cents in the money. So right now, up $2 on the Palantir puts. Very interested to see where these end up moving. All right, we're up 10%, but that's like $3 on Palantir. Oh, Jarman Palantir finally broke that 39.50. Yeah, that's what we want to see. That is what we want to see right now. I'm gonna clear out the volume. It's not doing anything for me right now. All right, so we got some selling pressure on the SPY. There's another gap down to about this 567 or 567.90. See if we get a fill there too. It's like if it wants to keep moving down, maybe a hero call on the SPY might end up being something. Yo, I got $7 I can throw to something. Let me look at the SPY real quick. Trade options today, calls. Oh no, yeah, definitely need to let some time pass before doing anything like that. Oh, I'm just not paying attention, but I got an alert that Oxy broke a trend line earlier. Oh, so they touched this and then, yeah, had we noticed that Oxy came down to touch this, could have grabbed a call. That is the power of the almighty trend line. But we could end up getting like a double top over here. So yeah, we'll have to see how that ends up. I want to see Tesla in a higher time frame, or I would love to see Tesla come back up and like touch this hold up, let's move back to Tesla on a lower time frame. Yeah, I'm not sure how I really feel about that trend line I drew. Maybe Tesla is working on a double top right now. We'll have to see. Honestly, while we're right here, I'm gonna just real quick schedule this Zoom call, and I'm gonna post a meeting link. Just in case y'all want to drop through. Not right now though, don't drop through right now, but yeah, we're gonna call it Matthew Manuel's Q&A. And it's going to be 4 p.m. Central Time. All right, so let's copy that invitation, and we'll get that pasted real quick. Oh, I guess it kind of hides certain information. Let me yeah, some of that information won't allow to go in there, but it'll let me. Oh no, yeah, I can't paste that in there, so I will not paste that in there. I mean, it's probably for the best, actually, now that I think about it. Shout out to YouTube for not letting me do that. All right, so we got Tesla coming back up. Maybe we do go for another short. We'll see. Or maybe it wants to come higher and touch this next trend line. Yeah, Tesla looking strong. Might have to go the other. Well, hey, don't forget, double tops are a thing. So we got a top here. Could be forming another type or top. Thinking Coca-Cola calls. It's not anything I typically trade, but what's going on there? Let's check the analysis real quick on their stock. Oh, I typed in the wrong thing. All right, where is? All right, so they're going to want it to expire above. Honestly, it looks like they'll want it to expire like probably a little above 70, if not right at 70. There's a bunch of puts at the $70 level and the $69 level, but then there's also calls at the $70 level, so we'll have to see what that 70.42 target. Are you looking at dailies or like zero DTE contracts or? My other account, I have 1 day trade available. Let's see. Let's look at Tesla. Yeah, I'm probably not going for a day trade though. Probably still go for a swing trade. Yeah, Tesla does have like a lot of calls for today. They have calls, like an insane amount of calls, like all the way up to like $350. Those must be from some time ago. But yeah, they got a wall at like 250, so we'll see what ends up happening up there. And let me look at the value of puts right now. SPY looking real close to red. Oh yeah, let's see how the poll's looking. All right, so dang, y'all are like right down the middle. 43% red, 43% green, and then 14% break even. That's just that's pointing to break even. Because it's like if you say break even, that's like adding to red and green. So yeah, everything's pointing to break even right now. Just vote wise, and just the way movement has occurred today. Hold on, let's see. Oh, that's not what I was trying to do. Yeah, check out the options. Check out the puts. Yeah, it would be nice if one of the 247.50 puts got cheap out of nowhere. Are you playing the Tesla October 10th event? So yesterday I swung a Tesla call into today. That was kind of me playing it. If I don't know if I'm gonna swing it yet. I'll probably need to take a look at them on a higher time frame. Here, let's pull SPY up over here. Dang, that is liquidity right there. Oh, hold up. Amazon just dropped off a little package. Might have to run and get that. But hold up. Let me look at Tesla on a higher time frame, see what I see. So it's really going to depend because first off, hold up, let's look at the RSI as well. Okay. We haven't necessarily crossed down. And then also here, let's if we look monthly, I was expecting like, I don't know, it's like I like Tesla to $300. So it's like, oh, we'll see. Right now I still want to try to see if I can get in on this right here. Yeah, it's the robo taxi event. Yeah, Tesla is going. Hold on, I'm gonna get this package real quick. Y'all are coming with me, but stepping away from the charts for half a second. I don't know how long this or how far out this mic is gonna go, but bag secured. All right, back to the charts. Yeah, Tesla doing this thing. We're still riding this kind of trend. Let's yeah, if it wants to get cheap, I might go in for a 247.50 call just for like a quick scalp or something. We'll see. But of course, this wouldn't be the Robinhood account. Just a heads up. But yeah, we might have another Tesla trade coming. Palantir is taking his time. It's just chilling there. We know where it wants to go though. Yeah, Tesla looks like it's gonna go for a double top. I actually think I was talking about doing the 245s, but, or I was talking about doing the 247s, but I might go for like, just like multiple, multiple 45s. Oh, that's kind of a ride though. Let's actually, maybe not. Let's still look at the 47s and maybe just go for like two of them. So we're up here at these levels. Trade. All right, I'm gonna try to. I put my order in for. Yeah, I put my order in. So we'll see what happens. It's trying to run up some more. And now I'm gonna alert the Discord just so they can be aware of that as well. All right, so I grab. So grabbing two lotto puts on Tesla. I think it was 247.50 on Tesla. Or actually, $247.5 on Tesla. Paid. How much did I pay? $93 per share. Very high risk trade. All right, yeah, we'll see what comes of that. All right, so let's see. OMG, look at Tesla go. SPY to the upside. Put sale on SPY. Yeah, we'll see. All right, so I'm hoping this plays out to be a double top on Tesla. Hopefully we come back down. But yeah, we need to break this trend over here. But 245 put on Tesla. So I got a 247, but yeah, I was looking at the 245. Yeah, so it's still early in the morning. They're going to, like, one of the things about Lotto Fridays is they're going to try to let the theta sit out. Or they're going to try to, like, wait the day out and make it take as long as they can to move it where they want it to go. So as few people profit from it as few people profit from the contract as possible. So that's what they're going to try to do. Like, just know that it's a possibility that they leave Tesla up here kind of trading sideways before bringing it down. And the longer that you wait in the day, the longer it's going to be for it to actually make its move. So just know that's kind of the risk we play whenever we, what was I going to say? That's the risk we kind of play whenever we trade these Lotto Fridays. They're Lotto Fridays because of, a little bit can make a lot, but also the probabilities of success is pretty low, like winning the lottery. So right now on those puts, I grabbed on Tesla up 10%. Let's see if Tesla can actually make some proper movement. Oh, it kind of feels like the chart's not even, almost feels like it's not even moving. Let's turn the volume back on. I mean, it's getting, well, it got some increased volume. Let's see if we can get a break right here. Otherwise, it might try to go up or something. Indeed, indeed. Now I'm just sitting here watching. We need some volume to come push us down. We don't have any events. 472 call on SPY. Hey, it has potential. So like once again, this is where it looks like the SPY wants to close out the day. Let me once again check on Tesla just to make sure everything's all right. So I'm down on those Tesla calls now, or those Tesla puts I grabbed a moment ago. So yeah, we'll see. We'll see kind of how this goes. And Tesla's trying to act like it wants to go up now. So let's go look at Tesla option. Okay, Tesla. So analysis. Wait. So it looks like the options may have moved. So now, wait, let's see. So now it's looking like it is most optimal for Tesla to expire above 275. Dang. All right, so now I'm gonna have to move this target up, and that makes this trade a lot less juicy. All right, so let's see if we can get movement, but I might end up kind of taking profits here pretty soon. Let's see if this does end up being a double top. If it does, could get like another retracement, but otherwise. All right, so getting some selling pressure. Let's check on a little bit. See if we can get continued downward pressure. Let me watch this one closely like a hawk. See if we can get a break of that trend line. Yeah, Tesla could very well dump end of day. But, trading these contracts you don't necessarily have to the end of the day, unfortunately. So let's let me have my contracts ready to sell just to, maybe take some like sniper profits potentially. Feel nice that it can't win. I mean, we can if we get this break and if it wants to complete this double top. So this double top kind of, if this ends up playing out, it'll come back around to like 245. We'll see. Philip, you said negative $23 Lex. What is that? What is that referring to? Just doesn't want to go down. How's Palantir is going up? Is that a specific stock you're talking about? Yo, this thing is, yes, it's trying to stay up in this channel. Yeah, we're getting some consolidation here. But, yeah, I'm still watching for the break of this trend line. I still think we might get a little bust down. Let's see. Yeah, we're like right here on this trend line. Yeah, it's looking like we want to come down. Come on now. All right. -8 on Tesla put, hoping for the, yeah, me too. I'm down, or I'm up right now. I think I got in around, what I get in at? I got in at 93 per share, so it's currently going for $1 per share. All right, so it's looking, on the 2-minute, we're breaking the trend line, but I think we drew it on a 5, so let's see if we actually get a break here. Like, we're definitely breaking it on the 2-minute. But yeah, let's see if we can get some selling pressure, get below 248. Yeah, it's definitely trying. Market makers playing with us. Yeah, so it looks like it's still trying to. Oh no, we got that wick right there. I think we're coming down. Like, cause you got one touch here, or maybe here. Let me check a 10. Check a 15. Yeah, on the 15, this is a red candle. Let's see. What stocks you use with only $200? Honestly, it's going to depend on the day of the week. So, for instance, if it's a Thursday or Friday, I can do almost any of them. But no, these are the stocks I usually trade. So most of the time, it's like a SPY, QQ, or Palantir, Tesla, Oxy, Nvidia, AMD, IWM, Meta, Apple. I don't really do anything with Microsoft. I just had that on there yesterday. PayPal, sometimes Nike. Don't really do as much with these. But yeah, it's like I'm not. I mean, it's not like specific stocks, but I mostly like I trade the same stocks mostly, regardless. Hold up. All right, now it's starting to get some buying pressure. Hold up. You're trying to push it up. Okay, this could be, if we were looking at this on the, hold up. This price action is not fully making sense to me. Go to a 5. Go to a 10. I mean, we didn't close out the candle yet. We still got about 20 seconds. Go to the 15. Oh yeah, I'm not liking this 15-minute candle. Come on. All right, so looks like they're trying to like draw in some buyers first. It's like worst case they come up to about 251, but it would be, here, let me extend this. Let me come to a 10. See if I can get a better angle. Okay, it's not letting me draw it perfectly. All right, let's see what happens at this kind of where I had this drawn. You say, yeah, I'm going to have to dip out of both of these soon. Maybe consider setting like a limit or a stop loss or something. Like if you set a limit order, like it does look like it's about to break right now. So yeah, I would consider doing something like that. That way you can still take profits. But try not to talk about yourself that way. It's like usually whatever you think about yourself, it's kind of like a self-fulfilling prophecy. So understand that you can win, that you can make good trades, and understand that trading is not easy. But you're not cursed. It's like you can do anything, but self-talk is very important. Like no matter what way we're looking at it, man. I believe in you, Philip. But I need you to believe in you. And then also, it's like just the way the market's kind of, yes, hey, Casey knows what's up. It's like also just the way the markets are kind of set up. They're kind of set up to screw us over. But I want you to know it's also 10 a.m. The market closes at 3 p.m. They're going to sell you out of your options contracts at 2:30. But here, let's see. I don't have a play on the SPY. I do not have a play on the SPY right now. I'm just in Tesla right now. I've already kind of taken my profits on my trades today. Or no, I'm in Palantir, but they're trying to have the market kind of chill at the top right now. But I feel like we know where it's closing. So Tesla looks like, honestly, no matter which way you do it, we're breaking this trend line right now. We for sure broke it on the 15. We broke it on the 10, breaking on the 5. Oh yeah, I guess let's look at Broadcom. They might, honestly, whenever there are less people trading a stock, I guess the whole average price thing doesn't really matter as much. I can't really look at the options for Broadcom just because I'm trying to still manage Tesla, but yeah, let's plus. Here, let me go to a 5, see if we can find something a little steeper. And NVIDIA V coming strong. Let's see. Yeah, let's drop down to like a 15. Yeah, definitely found that support. Mahishu, yeah, have a wonderful weekend, family. Have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy yourself. All right, I need these market makers to sell us off. All right, once again, we got a break of the trend line, but we're kind of holding above this first high right now. All right, so maybe we come and try to test this trend line up here. Maybe we test 551. We'll see. You see what it would look like on the 30. Oh, wrong chart. See what it look like on the 30-minute. Yeah, it just looks straight bullish on the 30. Actually, so this trend line here. Let's see the 1 hour. So yeah, we're still kind of trading in between us. I'm gonna get rid of this line right here. Yeah, so maybe we come up here, retest this trend line right here. Palantir just chilling. Yes, Palantir is just chilling. Oh, hold up. Yeah, Palantir is just chilling, but I want it to go to sleep. Here, let me recheck the numbers on Palantir, see if stuff got shifted around. Yeah, the numbers got shifted around on Palantir. I'm very annoyed. So Palantir, now they would want it to be around. No, hold up. What was I looking at? I have the line in the right place. So I bought the puts I think this morning I was looking at 39, but it looks like more put volume came in. So now it would be optimal for it to expire above 39.50 and below 40. So unfortunately, yeah, I'm thinking I'm gonna drop out of Palantir because things have shifted around. Had to sell out of Tesla put down 25. Hey, sorry to hear that, family. Let me check the numbers on Tesla one more time. I see they're changing in kind of real time. Dang, so people are buying puts on Tesla, so that's kind of sending things up. That's kind of messing with me, man. All right, so I'm gonna still hold what I have because it looks like I'm gonna still hold that, but I'm gonna close out of the Palantir because it looks like everyone bought puts, and unfortunately, I'm gonna have to take an L on that. So let's see. Here, I'm gonna get rid of this trend line to the downside, and then let's see where it looks like target is on Tesla real quick. So now I expect it to be a little above this, so maybe there. Set an alert right there. See if we can catch like some quick kind of falling momentum on Tesla, so I can get out, because now I'm down 40 on the 247s. All I gotta say, Philip, if you're done trading, I recommend hopping off the stream and enjoying your weekend, because I would say there's probably nothing else here, and if it's an environment that's going to upset you, sometimes you just got to step away. I think like last Friday, it was like last Thursday or Friday, I was like, got to end this stream, just got to step away. Like kind of like right now, I'm done looking at Palantir. These numbers keep changing right under my nose. Yeah, Fridays, they can be like that. That's why it's a lotto. But I would personally love to see some sort of downtrend form, but we're on the 5-minute. Okay, I kind of like that candle, but it closed blue. Let's look at the 10. Okay, I like that candle. Let's see if we can get something like this going. See if that holds up for now. All right, so facts don't let your, do not let those emotions win. Because you are the pilot. You pilot your emotions. They say life is like 10% what happens to you and 99 or 90% of how you respond to it. It's like usually I find there's usually some sort of silver lining to, everything. There's a bright side to everything. Sometimes you just gotta try harder than others to find things. I mean, you'd think if I flipped a coin 5 times, at least one of them would fall in. Okay, so the thing about trading is different from flipping a coin though, because there's a lot of psychology that comes in and greed. It's like there are times where you get out of a trade and the trade would have worked out in your favor, but maybe you didn't trust your analysis, so you got out. Or maybe the trade did what you did, but you didn't take profits quick enough. It's like things accelerate and slow down in the markets. And like it's very tricky. It's a lot different from a coin flip. I used to think the same kind of way. And unfortunately, the market just doesn't work like that. It's like they are constantly trying to shake it up. I don't know if you've seen the Hunger Games, but they got those game makers trying to make the Hunger Games as hard as possible for them to survive and live in and make it as interesting to watch. And the market makers are essentially like game makers for us trading. All right, so Corey said my XOP 144 strike calls up 45. Hey, love to hear it. Gold 251 strike calls up 13. Nothing crazy, but both swings. Hey, profit is profit. We took I'm not sure if you were on a stream, but we took like 140, like 140% on a Tesla trade earlier. On a little put we grabbed up here. And we wrote it. I mean, we wrote it right here. Oh, that was like 140%. Apple 220 strike puts. Hey, those percents add up. Like, just think you're talking about 9.6% being meh. But there are people who invest that are happy to get like 8% in a year. So like that's a good year on a portfolio. So we gotta remember how good these returns really are. Cause I hope and pray that one day, these returns we see for options as I don't know, I hope that 8% is a lot to you one day because of how much money it actually is because your account is larger. Okay, so hey, come on, give me downside. Philip, I hope you're off the stream now. I feel like you may still be here. But Philip, I hope you are not watching because it looks like might be getting some downside now. We'll see. Let's see. All right, KO man is pushing. I forgot which way you said you were looking at Coke. Okay, it's pushing the upside. Okay, I see it. Just lost profit from 5 trades of the days on that Tesla put. Yeah, that's a Lotto Fridays. Lotto Fridays. We had the good Tesla put this morning. And we'll kind of have to see what happens with this one. They're eating us with the theta. But right now, what I'm looking at, if this trend line holds and it actually moves along this trend line and it can come here by 11, hey, I'm cool with that. Nice. This is the time of the day the market dying out, going flat. Honestly, yeah, that is kind of what the market likes to do. This is why normally I'll like hop off the stream around this time. I'll probably hop off in about 14 minutes or so. But this is true. I am rarely successful when I'm not trading either the first or last hour. Yeah, because that's when all the volume comes in. So yeah, if there's no volume in the market, you're really at the expense of the market maker. So if we look at Tesla over here, this is how much volume we had. We still had a little volume when we got this pullback, and then it's kind of like leveled off since then. I appreciate that, Philip. I mean, you're welcome and thank you. Dang. Nah, Tesla is trying to rip faces. I mean, I'm still like ultimately like looking at this trend line. Maybe like move that to line up more over there, but yeah, Tesla is not playing games today. Or actually, Tesla is playing games. Yeah, but if it breaks, I think I know what my swing is. Okay, Casey said my AMD played out smoothly. Yes. Oh yeah. Now we did end up getting that double top as well. Wait, I don't even think I called that double top. I feel like I missed this over here maybe. But yeah, it's probably actually let me check the numbers on AMD now, because all the numbers have shifted around. These market makers are hard at work trying to make sure people don't profit. All right, so AMD looks like it wants to be just below 167.50. So this has moved a lot too. Like it was over here and now it's up there. Let me get an updated look at Tesla. I mean, it doesn't look like it's changed at all. But yeah, now this would be the kind of ideal change. Here, let's go to a 1 hour. Yeah, we'll kind of see how this goes. Yeah, now I just want to be out of this trade, but I'm gonna have to watch. I have to watch this, or I may just have to bite the bullet, take the L. Still up overall on everything, so that's good. But I feel like I can get a better exit on this. They're just really trying to run it down. Let's go down to a 10. So now this kind of area is serving as support. And also as this goes on, can probably slide this down a little bit. Let's see if we get an equal high. Let's go here. Let's see what. Okay, so now the votes have shifted to 44% green. Hey, I think we're green enough on the day. Will not be mad if we want to close break even on the day. All right, so here, let me check something. All right. Oh, wait. And just caught that gold call. Made 4,500 quick. Hey, it's good money. Love to hear it, family. Let's take a look at GLD. When you say call, appreciate you and your charts, man. Hey, appreciate you, family. Giving me someone to share the charts with. All right, so now we're trying to get a little sell. I would be very appreciative. I might try to look for an exit right here. Let's see if we can pull back to this trend line. I would be very. Oh wait, hold on, wrong side. See if we can get a pull back to this trend line. $4.10 Palantir. I mean the put strap made total sense. Yeah, it's like too many people made too many puts went in, so now it is more profitable for the market makers to close it out higher. But as contracts shift throughout the day, they kind of try to move things to get people to close out their contracts. So we will see. All right, let's see if we can get like find some kind of trend here. I don't know if that'll hold up. We'll see. Let's go on to 1. Come on, let's sell off a little bit. Tesla is I'm sure Tesla's a little tired of climbing. Climbing can get exhausting. I think Tesla needs a break. Seems like it's been climbing all day. It's definitely a lot easier to go down a hill than hike up a hill. Actually, I would say that's debatable, but you have the help of gravity on the way down, so. So I'm on the 1 minute on this Tesla chart. We'll see how these trend lines hold, or how this trend line holds up. Oh yeah, come on. Do something, Tesla. Come on now. All right. So this is, wrong chart. Let's go to a 2. Yeah, I'm going to just take profits there. I'm tired of being in this trade. Ended up profiting $28 off that. So I'm going to cut out there, call it a day. Hey, $28 is cool. I've been played with. The market makers kind of got what they want from me. But I'm going to share that with the Discord. Of course, they're going to try to sell it off some more, but yeah, I'm just going to cut out and call it. Call it a day. All right, so hey, we are out of those trades. All right, you said if I waited to now, you would have at least gotten your money back. So if anything, there is. So Parker, I just took profit on the put. I got my money back, but I'm kind of like mentally exhausted looking at the charts. I'm not trying to play the market makers games, and I want to get out with my money. So I'm kind of done. It's like I see it's still running, and I could probably still ride the trend, but the market maker just waited perfectly for me to be exhausted in order for them to kind of run it up. Because honestly, those contracts, if we look at them now, the ones I just sold out for 104, those contracts are going for 142. And yeah, that would have been like an extra $100, but hey, it is what it is. It's all good. It might still like move down, but yeah, it's just one of these things. And then Philip, like kind of waiting and seeing. That's just part of like the psychology that it takes whenever it comes to the market. It's like we both took like very similar trades, but and then somebody probably took the same trades as me, but they got an even better result than me. So it's like kind of over time, the more confident you are in your plays, the more you see this, the more you do this, the more you're able to ride through stuff like this, the more you're able to roll with the punches and whatnot. So yeah, that thing is still going. That contract's in the money. I'm going to like step away from the charts now, step away from the charts, probably for the weekend. No, I might look for like a swing or something later, but yeah, I'm done here for the day. Had a lot of fun on stream with you guys. Hey, if you took any W's today, or even if you didn't take any W's today, yo, share a drop a W in the chart, and yeah, let's get this bread. Let's have a great weekend. And if you are interested, hey, be sure to drop in for the stream as well. So yeah, that's going to do it for the stream, family. Hey, shout out to Philip, Jorman, the Blessed West Beauty, Casey, yeah, all y'all family. Jamar, how do you know what the market makers are doing? So I think I just posted a video. Let me hear real quick. Let me see if I feel like I just made a video about this on YouTube. I think I uploaded like last Friday. Let me see. Here, let's see. Oh yeah. Okay, so yeah, legit last Friday. Here, I'm gonna drop the link real quick, and then I'm gonna get off. But yeah, check this video out, and this video will show you exactly how I see where the market makers are likely to. Oh, peace, Philip. Yeah, exactly how I see where the market makers are likely to push the price of things. So yeah, a lot of fun with you guys on stream today. Glad we were able to kind of take profits on most of what we did today. It's been a ride, it's been a journey, but all in all, it's been fun. Matthew Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. All right, we out of here.